Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Babbles. If you watch out our earlier video, we started series for kids in kindergarten to first standard. In that we given all English alphabets. Today we are back again with another video which will help to your kids in everyday educational life. And the topic we addressing today is how to improve kids' handwriting. Good handwriting is like helping tool in the exam. Once your kid know to identify alphabets, then the next task is to write alphabets. If you want to improve your kids' handwriting, then this video is for you. So let's get started. The first thing actually matter in handwriting is your kids is sitting posture. Especially kids' shoulders should be relaxed. The second thing is tilt the page. If your kid is right-handed, then right corner of page should be high. And if your kid is left-handed, then left corner should be high. By this way, kids easily able to write and better in handwriting. It is not compulsory to tilt the page. Remember, when your kid is in happy mood, then only take these all exercise daily only for 5 to 10 minutes. The next third thing, page setup and pen or pencil grip. For this, you have to draw a circle. Take different color pens, sketch pens or crayons and with your kid do one activity. Remember, different kids have different style of holding pencil, pen or crayons. So prefer the style in which your child is comfortable. Use soft grip so they can hold properly and tell them don't hold pencil or pen or crayon tightly. Activity is just give dot within a circle. By this way, your kid can hold the pen or pencil or crayon properly. You can use all the material for the experiment, so the kids will enjoy the activity. Like colorful pencils, colorful sketch pens, colorful crayons. For better output in this activity, you can draw another circle and again draw some small circles in that and to your kid give dots that within small circle. Now the third part is basic drills. Basic drills are very important for better handwriting. Encourage your child to draw sleeping line, standing line and slanting line. Draw any shape like square, triangle and encourage your child to do this activity. It's not mandatory for child for perfect lines. By this way of activity, kids can able to hold pencil, pen or crayons properly and got the grip on that and able for better handwriting. Now the fourth one is curve practice. As explaining these activities simultaneously, kids do some exercise for fingers, that is fine motor activity skills. So the muscles in the fingers get strength for writing and able to hold the pen, pencil or crayon tightly and can able to give proper pressure while writing. While doing curve practice, this activity is most important because by this curve we can make letters like capital C, small e, capital D, capital P and capital B. Hope you like the video. Keep practicing with your kids. If you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe Creative Babble. Thanks for watching.